What's up, ass motherfuckers? This is Custom Offsets, and we're in the fucking garage, and we're about to fix some shit. Let's go.
Alright guys, so we have this fancy 2016 F-150 in the shop today. Now it already has a 3-inch halo lift in it, but he did not get the upper control arm, so we're going to throw some of those on. But the big news is he had these nice 20x10's, 33s on here, fit good with the 3-inch, and he got himself a set of 20x12's and 35s for a really good price. 22x12's, I'm sorry, and 35s for a good price. And he would like to test the theory of we can make anything fit. So today's video is mostly just going to be chopping the hell out of this truck just to fit some 12 wides and 35s on a 3-inch. It's going to be a shit show. Larger. Nice. And fully adjustable for caster.
Really?
Yeah.
That's nice. This is the same brand that we did on Zach's.
Yep.
Frontier.
Yeah, same those.
Wow. Nice.
Caliper. Next to me. Wrench. You gotta crank this valve down up to the floor. Well, I have a pretty good idea of what needs to be done.
Sure.
So I'm gonna start at the point I know, right? Get rid of the crash bars, cut this across here,
Okay.
cut this crash bar out, and carve all of this out, and see where it gets us.
Alright, that sounds like a solid plan.
You gonna fit, Dylan, or no?
Sure, why not? F***ing send it.
A-dudes are not ideal for lifting these big ass tires. Wear boots or shoes.
Yeah, that's not turning at all.
I mean,
It will, about
Maybe
30
half
degrees.
Back it straight out of the shop, and I'm done. It's actually not super terrible. Yeah. Kind of what I was expecting back here. That's pretty typical. Front won't be too bad though. I'll even be able to leave the rear cross, The rear crash bar, I think.
My truck made
You get that?
2 days, I think.
Perfect.
Damn things.
Put her back up and take her back out.
Here is my favorite tool.
That's a great.
Because it's got that bend in it. Which is nice because then when you pull this out, you can push it in like that and then pry it out. Come on, little buddy.
Alright guys, so obviously we didn't have to take the entire front end apart to cut the crash bars out. That's an unrelated light bar install going on over here, but it is going to give us a lot easier access to those front crash bars that have to come out anyway. So you'll get a nice shot of that happening.
Oh no.
Son of a bitch.
But the battery.
I know, I was just quoting what you said from the previous video.
There's a number on the carbide teeth.
Is that still that wood bit? God damn it.
It's not wood.
Out of the way.
It's steel carbide.
Why does your trans cooler have grill shutters?
Oh my god. Who designs these things?
It's the intercooler for the... Aluminum F-150 NorCal. You can see how it covers it. What movie is that? Undercover Brother.
Yes! Yeah!